Welcome back to TechSurgeon.tv. I'm the Tech Surgeon. Well, you must be having an issue with your Lexus Key Fob wireless key remote. This particular remote works for the ES series, the GS, and also the IS. Okay? I'm going to show you how to remedy this issue really quick by replacing your battery yourself. Only takes about 1 minute, and watch just how much money you save. Call Lexus dealership and ask them how much they charge for this operation. Is it $45? $85? Over $100? Well, you don't have to fall for that anymore. Not after this video. All right, let's get right into it. Let's take our remote, look for the release tab button there, press on it, and the emergency key comes out. This is the emergency key that allows you to unlock your door in case your key fob or your car does not have power. Okay, this also locks and unlocks the glove box. All right, we're going to look into the key fob in that section that we uncovered and look for a notch. This is perfectly engineered. The key fits right into that notch on an angle. You twist it, and that case is wide open. Look at there, separated in two halves. Flip that circuit board over into the front half of the case, and it exposes the battery. Get something that can get underneath that battery. I usually would use a spudger for this, but I'm going to use something common. Flathead screwdriver. Find a notch you want to use. Looks like the biggest notch is down in this corner. Get under that battery and pry it out. There you go. It's out. Now this is a 1632. That's a CR1632 3-volt battery. Okay, so you're going to have to find one, get one on hand. Once you find these, preferably online, where you can get 5 or 10 of these for the price of one in a street store. I'll have a helpful link down in the description of where you can find these easily on Amazon. All right, get your new battery out the package. Okay, remember that the writing goes up. You got to get that right. That's called correct polarity. Press down on it till it pops in place. You are just about finished. Flip that printed circuit board back over into the back of the case. Flip the front of the case back over on top. Pick it up. Give it a good squeeze. Pow! Snaps right back together. I'm going to reinsert my emergency key. I'm going to press the lock button, and I see the red light, which indicates it is transmitting. Unlock. This thing is changed out and ready to go. That's it. Please visit my channel for other technical how-to videos, both common everyday items and far more technical things. Thank you very much.